Okay, let's read a very wordy definition. A truth table shows all the possible combinations of truth values for component statements, as well as the corresponding truth value of the compound statement under consideration. What? Okay, first of all, the component statements, those would be the atomic statements or the single statements, the original statements, and then we're going to add some ands and ors and nots and later on if then to it, that kind of thing. And so let's just begin with something that we already know. A negation changes the truth value. Okay, a negation changes the truth value. We know that. So let's write a statement, and the statement is going to be the outside temperature is more than 70 degrees. And then we're going to change the meaning of that, and then we'll just figure out trues and falses from there. So this first one is pretty straightforward, very basic. So the statement is the outside temperature, I'll call it temp, is more than 70 degrees. We're assuming it's Fahrenheit there. I'm abbreviating quite a bit. And then if I want to do the opposite of that, then I would say the outside temperature is not more than 70 degrees. So I could write that. The outside temp is not greater than 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, if you want to get technical about it, and I'm just going to put this in parentheses, it is less than or equal to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's suppose that it is currently true that the outside temperature is greater than 70. So if I said, and we're in Hawaii, it's 85 degrees, right? I said, hey, is the outside temperature greater than 70? You'd say, yeah, true. But then I said, is the outside temperature not greater than 70? Well, that actually would be false. Okay, that's the opposite of the true statement. If I lied to you and we're in 85 degree weather and I said outside temperature isn't more than 70, like, no, it's 85, right? Okay. But however, if the original statement was false, then when I change its truth value, it becomes true. There you go. There's your first ever truth table. That was anticlimactic, wasn't it? So let's slide up to the next one. In order for a conjunction to be true, both statements must be true. I'm writing in the wrong color. I wanted these to be in blue, but whatever. We'll deal with it. Both statements must be true. So before I go any further with that, let me actually use a slightly awkward example. So I have some blank paper here, almost blank anyway, and I'm going to lay it down, and I'm going to say that this is a police car, and, oh, good grief, I misspelled and. I'm telling you, my hand gets ahead of my brain. And this is an alligator. Okay, so, actually false, because those are erasers. Anyway, this is a police car and this is an alligator. Is that true? Yeah, it's true. Of course it's true. All right, how about now? This is a police car and that's an alligator. That's false. That's false. Well, but this is an alligator. I know. But I told you this was a police car, and this and statement means they have to both be true, and they're not. I mean, we got this one, but what about that? That is not a police car. You can't pull over speeders in that thing. Okay, so that's not going to work. So what I need is both statements to be true in order for me to call an and statement true. And remember, the and symbol, can't say it, is this upside down V. So let's write some sentences, and it looks like this. By the way, I picked this example because maybe you are programming a like a saw at a lumber yard or something, and the saw needs to meet, in order to kick in, it needs to meet both these criteria. The board weighs 40 ounces and the board is 4 feet long, and then it does whatever it's supposed to do. It saws it or drills it, or no, that wouldn't be at a saw shop if it's drilling it, but whatever. So P is the board weighs 40 ounces. 40 ounces, let's abbreviate that. And the board is 4 feet long. And then over here, we're going to have the and statement in between them. So, or the and symbol. That means the board, we'll abbreviate a lot, weighs 40 ounces and I like to capitalize it because it's important, is 4 feet long. Okay, in order for a and statement to be true, both of the component statements must be true. So again, let's go back to this. The only way this is going to be true is if I put this here and that there. All right? I can't go putting my balloon somewhere, right? That's just not true. All right. If I have, the board weighs 40 ounces, it's true. The board is 4 feet long, true. Well, then it's true that the board weighs 40 ounces and is 4 feet long. So, yeah, true. But if I tell you that the board weighs 40 ounces, but it's not true, it's false that the board is 4 feet long, then when I'm putting those two statements together with an and, I can't say it's true, it's actually false. Now, again, our board weighs 40 ounces, that's true, but our board is not 4 feet long, so they're not both true. So that's the whole statement as a whole with the and is false. Let's keep going. The board does not weigh 40 ounces because it's false, but it's true that the board is 4 feet long, and therefore this statement is not true. I have to have both statements to be true in order for me to call an and true. So that one's false. It's bugging you too that this is in black ink and that's in blue. Yeah. All right. My board is not 40 ounces. My board is not 4 feet long. I have nothing to go on here. Okay. It's kind of like this. If I said, oh, this is a police car and this is an alligator. Wow, I lied to you twice, you know? So any one of those makes it fall apart, but man, when I've lied to you twice, it's hard to trust me. So false and false makes false. There we go. All right, let's talk about the next one, which would be an or statement. And in this particular case, let's go back to our police car alligator idea. Instead, let's pick a couple other objects. Let's use elephants. This is an elephant. Or this is a fox. Okay, so this is an elephant or this is a fox. Okay, is this true? Yeah, it's true. That's an elephant. That's a fox. Yeah, we're good. Now, I said or, which makes us sometimes think, oh, well, I only need to have one of them true. Well, I can have both of them. So I have satisfied both conditions. Let me rephrase that. I've satisfied at least one condition because I could do this. Is this true? Yeah, it's true because I said this is an elephant or this is a fox. Well, that's clearly not a fox, but this is an elephant, and so therefore it's true. This complete statement is true because I have a true statement in here. Now I could change this, and I could put my balloon here. This is an elephant. No, it's not. Or this is a fox. Oh, yeah, it is. He's wearing a scarf too. So this is an elephant or this is a fox. Yeah, because I've met one of the conditions. But again, totally not. I need to meet at least one condition, and I've not met either one of them in that situation. So here goes an or statement. In order for an or statement to be true, I'll write it in blue this time. At least, that means one or more, one statement must be true. Okay, so here's the statement P. Bananas are on sale. So bananas are on sale. Are on sale. Great. And then Q, milk is on sale. Milk is on sale. Great. P or V, bananas. Bananas are on sale. Or, I like to capitalize it because it's important, milk. Milk is on sale. Okay, well, let's keep moving. If it's true that bananas are on sale, it's also true that milk is on sale, then I could say bananas are on sale or milk is on sale. Now, again, we might be tempted to say, oh, I only need to meet one condition. I did meet one condition. I met at least one condition, so this one is true. Oh, this was supposed to be written in black. I'm trying to keep the consistent color coding up. Man, messing up. Okay, let's suppose bananas are on sale, milk is not. All right, it's false that milk is on sale. Bananas are on sale, milk is not. But then I say, I go home to my wife. She said, you go to the grocery store? And I said, yeah, I did. And I said, bananas are on sale or milk is on sale. Am I telling her the truth? I better be. I'm a married man. But also, I am telling the truth because the bananas are on sale. Milk wasn't. So I had at least one truth. Okay? Bananas are not on sale. Milk is on sale. I have to have at least one statement to be true in order to call this one true. And bananas aren't. Milk isn't. Bananas aren't on sale. Milk isn't on sale. I go home and I say, hey, bananas are on sale or milk is on sale. She'll say, you lying to me. There you go. So those are the three basic ones. We're going to build on that in the next video.